In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images to rich text in Webflow, a process that can really enhance the appearance and engagement level of your content. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to begin by double-clicking on your rich text block. This is your starting point for editing, and it opens up the area so you can make changes. Once you've done that, you'll want to select a line in your text. By pressing Enter, you'll create a new line beneath it. This might seem like a small step, but it's necessary because this new line is where the magic happens. Now, watch closely as a tiny plus icon appears on that new line. This icon is your gateway to adding new elements to your rich text. Go ahead and click on that plus icon. This will open up a menu of options, and you'll want to scroll down until you catch sight of the word Image. Once you see it, click on it. Upon clicking Image, you'll be prompted to upload your desired image. Select the image that you want to embed in your text. After making your selection, give your image a moment to upload. Depending on the size of your image and your internet speed, this might take a bit, but usually it's fairly quick. And just like that, once it's done uploading, your image will seamlessly appear within your rich text. It really is as simple as that. You now have an attractive image to complement your text, enhancing both its aesthetic appeal and its informative value. This straightforward process can make a significant difference in how engaging and visually appealing your content is. Adding visual elements like images not only breaks up the text, but also provides visual interest and context, which can be especially helpful for readers who are visually oriented. There you go. You've successfully added an image to your rich text block. It's amazing how a few clicks can really transform your content. Remember, using images effectively can contribute significantly to storytelling and help communicate ideas that words alone might not convey as effectively. So don't hesitate to use this feature whenever you feel an image could enhance your message. And there we have it. You've learned how to enhance your Webflow project quickly and easily. As always, practice will help cement these steps in your mind, making you more proficient in customizing and making your content vibrant and engaging. Thank you for joining me today, and happy designing.